Hi friends, welcome again to Queen's Kitchen. As I promised in my last video that I'm going to make a series of Middle Eastern food. So today's recipe is a continuity of that series, and I'm going to show you how to make hummus and tahini today. It's very quick recipe and very yummy at the same time. Let's go to the recipe and have a look how do we make hummus and tahini today. For making hummus, I'm taking some sesame seed in a pan and I'm dry roasting it until it turns golden brown. Make sure you do it on very low flame because it tends to burn very easily. Now we'll transfer it into a grinder and we will just grind it into a coarse powder. And once it's ground coarsely, as you can see, we will add vegetable oil to it. And again we will just mix it and grind it together until it becomes a fine paste. And now we will just add salt to taste to it, and this is our tahini which is all ready to go. You can serve this with hummus and also with falafels, but I'm using this tahini into hummus, so I'm just grinding it a little bit further. And here we go, our tahini is all ready to go. And if you just want to serve it with falafels, you can also do it as well, but as I said, I'm going to use this tahini into my hummus, so I'm just saving it. And now we will just go to our further step after this tahini sauce, which is our hummus. For that I have taken 1 can of canned chickpeas, but you can also boil them as well, soak and boil them and make them soft like they are. Drain all the water and add some garlic into it, followed by some freshly squeezed lemon juice and tahini, freshly made tahini which we just made. And salt to taste at the end, followed by some cumin powder. And now we will just mix it and grind it to a fine paste. Please avoid water at this stage because we want our hummus in thick consistency. We don't want it so runny. So see, our hummus is all ready and it's very smooth in consistency, I can see. And I'm going to transfer into a serving bowl now. And now we will just do a garnishing step at the end. It's really flavorful if you make it hummus. Look at the grooving I've done, and I'm adding some red chili powder which is optional, and I've made some grooves. In these grooves I'm adding some olive oil. And if it is runny, then this grooving won't happen, and which is, I think, a beauty of hummus. When you make it fresh and thick like this, it has to have this consistency. Now garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, and our hummus is all ready to go. Enjoy with falafel and tabbouleh salad, which I'm going to show you in my next video. Enjoy. I'll see you next week. Thank you.